really excited to be able to tell you about our CASCADE's Parents Research Advisory Group. So the group is made up of people who have lived experience of child protection interventions in their lives, and they work with us here at CASCADE. This year, in July, we had a paper co-published with the group in the British Journal of Social Work. So the paper is all about how the group was set up, all the different kind of challenges and ways and things that we considered when we were setting it up, and it's from both the perspective of the parents themselves, but also from us at CASCADE and how we've worked together to build this group. So we think this is a really important and unique contribution to the public involvement debate, thinking specifically about this cohort and group of people who are often marginalised and are not always heard within public involvement, but also because the group is run regularly like a standing group, which isn't always the same format that's used within public involvement. Some of the key debates that are covered in the paper are some of the power imbalances, the diversity, the idea of representation, but also the impact that comes from research, both in the wider society but also with the parents themselves.